Hello and welcome to Getting Started with Masks in After Effects. So there's two ways that we could draw a mask initially. One is in the composition panel and one is in the layer panel. So press the Q key, it's going to select the rectangle tool and we draw a mask, and you can see we've chosen our subject there. And if you take a look at the alpha channel here, you can see 0, 0, 0, 100. So that's essentially what the mask is doing. We can also draw the mask here in the layer panel. Now if we take a look at some of the options in the layer panel, you can see we have this button here called render. I'm just going to turn that off for a second just to see the difference here. So you see this way we could draw the mask. Let's just remove that mask. Another way to remove the mask is we go to layer, mask, remove all masks. You could also access that menu by right clicking here and we can go there. Again, we could do remove all masks, or if we have the mask selected here, so we'll draw our mask again here. We can also click on any of the points in the comp panel here and you also get access to that menu. So when you draw the mask, we can use the arrow keys to position it slightly differently. We can also hold down Shift and we can go by large increments around. If you want to look at our mask, we can press the M key once and then twice, and then that will give you all the information that you need there. Okay, let's also look in a little bit more detail with regards to the actual shape of the mask. So when we're dragging here with the rectangle here, you can see I'm drawing a rectangle. If I hold down Shift now, it's going to constrain it to a square. Let's go back to the rounded rectangle. Now you can see I'm drawing this. Now let's see what happens if I press the arrow keys. You see when I press up, I'm actually changing the corner roundness. So I can change the corner round, I can hold it down and you can see just how round it can get. We can also press left and right, and that's going to toggle between the ellipse. So when creating a polygon, what we can actually do is we can press the arrow key. So up and down is actually going to increase the number of sides. So we can get more sides, and then left and right is going to change the rounding. So you see we can turn it into a circle with more points. So you could create something like this. You can go beyond, more sides. So you could do some interesting stuff with that. Now one thing you'll notice, if I then delete this mask, when I then draw it again, it's going to start with that already. So the way to get rid of that is just to double click. It will just put the default and then you've reset the tool. So again, we'll draw a polygon. If we want it to have 3 sides, just press down like that. And then we can use the arrow keys to create a pleasant kind of shape, which is sort of like a bulbous triangle. So you can see this is the star shape you tend to get. If we wanted to increase the number of sides, we can press the up key. You can see we can get more sides. We can go down. Or obviously triangle as well is available there. So you can create a triangle in both that. The advantage with doing triangle is that we can again do the left and right with the roundness. So if we're trying to create like a petal shape maybe, you also have access to the inner roundness as well using page up and page down. So you see, let's just maybe try and do that a little bit less, try and get a more interesting shape. So you get like a shape like that. You get all the way if you wanted to. And great, you know, just like something like that. So yeah, so that's essentially all you need to know with regards to the different shapes you can do. And you can do a 4-leaf clover actually if you just make it 4 and then just press the right arrow. That's quite a pleasant shape. So yeah, anyway, that will do for now. So thanks for watching.